Today I'm traveling to Bolpur Santiniketan and this is my train. My first ever experience of Vande Bharat. Okay.
Open the door like this.
Okay, so this is first impression. Looks awesome. They have a space over here for keeping luggages. So 15, 16, 17. So this is my seat. So we are heading towards Bolpur Santiniketan and here's my friend. So let me introduce.
Hello, hi, myself Santiniketan. I'm a friend of Vishal. Right now I'm working as a math teacher, assistant math teacher in school.
Are you excited, sir?
Yes, I am very excited. This is the first time I'm traveling by this Vande Bharat. I'm really excited.
भोक लाग्यो चढ्ने बित्तिकै के खाना बोक्नु पर्छ
अरू बेला त उसले चिकनहरू पनि ल्याउँथ्यो हो यो चाहिँ ल्याएन त्यसमा चिकन फ्राइजहरू है
पाउँछ यही पाउँछ यहाँ गरिदिउँ
सिट यतापट्टि फर्केको दामी हुँदैछ है यस्तो विचार
त्यो त उल्टा भयो त हाम्रो त अन्त
all passengers boarding Bharatiya Rail, New Jalpaiguri. Next station is Barsoi Junction. Indian Rail.
English though. They've given us one mango juice, salt and caramel popcorn, and munch on. I have no idea what is this. Ketchup. Caramel chai, tea, and this is something packed.
So what do we have first? Kachori. Wow.
It's good. Fresh. Crunchy.
How's the filling? Is it good? Yes. Oh. Paper on the book.
What's the paper? Okay, first and foremost, this is herbal hand sanitizer. So before having food, we are supposed to be sanitizing our hands. Enough actually for my face also. Okay, it's clean, I guess. So I'm starting with this one, kachori. Not chori, right? Kachori or kachori?
Kachori.
Kachori. Some like chori. Sanjay sir, please start it now. salt is like pink salt, rock salt. Rock salt from Himalaya. Chura.
कसो छौ एउटा छ चिया आलुको सब्जी रहेछ यहाँ हो तर अलिकति बासी बासी र चिसो रहेछ आलुको सब्जी दिस इज दही मदर डेरी यो चाहिँ तातो रहेछ है ओके चाहिँ चिकन ग्रेभी दिस इज दाल राइस ओके वी हेभ जिरा राइस चपाती रोटी रहेछ हौ कति रहेछ 2 पिस रोटी रहेछ यो चाहिँ पिकल लिनन्स पिकल
Look, we have reached Bolpur Santiniketan.